When we have a linear equation of the form ax plus by equals c, which is the standard form, and one of the coefficients a or b is 0, we have special results. In this first example, we're letting a equal 0, which gives us the equation y equal b, a constant term. When given that linear equation of that form, a horizontal line is found with the y-intercept at 0b. If we go back to our standard form of a linear equation, and this time let b equals 0, the resulting equation is x equal to some constant. And when we graph that line, the result is a vertical line with the x-intercept at a0. So to summarize here, when the x term has been eliminated because a is equal to 0, and we have a linear equation that is y equal a constant, it will always graph into a horizontal line. When we have a linear equation when the coefficient on the y term is 0, the result is an equation x equal 4, which is a vertical line. Let's see if we can use these relationships to write an equation for some examples here. Here we have a horizontal line graphed here, and if we look at every point on this horizontal line, it has a 5 as the y coordinate. This point here would be the y-intercept, which is 0, 5. Here we have 1, 5, 2, 5, negative 3, 5, and so on. That gives us that this is going to have the form y equal the constant value of 5 for the specific equation for this graph. Here's another example, and if you look at this line, every point on this vertical line has an x-coordinate of negative 3. Here we have an x-intercept of negative 3, 0. The coordinate of this point would be negative 3, 1, negative 3, 5, and so on. The equation of the line then, since it is a vertical line, will be x equal to negative 3.